one end of the globe. We turn around, and what do we want to do this video on? A piece of meat. I'm sorry for the vegans that are out there. It's really not on the piece of meat. It's about gravity. The water is going down, and the slow trickle that you can see of the water, I can feel the water bouncing back up to my hand over here. And if you look at the back of the sink, how is one little tiny weeny teeny little trickle able to float back here? And by the end of the day, my whole sink and my whole counter will be soaking wet by a little trickle of water. Okay, now if I put it a little faster, okay, see the way you don't see the particles coming back up? But once in a while, oh yeah, I feel them over here. How does that water rise as it falls? What is the weight of the... Oh, I just felt one right here on my camera from this distance. I'm about 12 inches away, but from down there I'm probably 16 and 15 inches away. So how does that actually happen? Do you like this picture? I look at this as the tilt of the earth running on the moon and the sun. Even if the sun was on the same side, it doesn't matter. You don't really know what you can see, do you? Do you actually know what you're looking at? You never know what you're looking at. Those are your eyes created for the game. For the game, who sits on the throne? Maybe my little buddy in life, I've seen a design that looks like, yes, Fred Flintstone. That's what it reminds me of. The curling tail. Now, you don't see the head on the other end here, but there is no head. But if I just showed it like this, you would think. And here's a little guy over here, and here's my pogo riding his bicycle. Not happy with that color. Not happy with this bird either, right? I don't have enough feathers or wings, but I have windows on this bird. I can't take this one away because it just looks like the way it does. And then the tablets. All the tablets counting. My aliens right over here. See the three children, the one girl and the two boys? Or the two girls, or how about the big ones? I like to show this off. I'll show it off 1,000 times because I like to. Oh, yes. Doesn't he look mean by the way he is? She is. Could be. Then there's this design over... Whoop, I hit my dresser. There's that design over there. And it plays with your eye because it depends what you're sort of trying to look at or if you have something in mind. And there was one other piece here. Oh, yes. Here. What do you see? A 3 and a 3? Do you see a 2? And then the 5? And then the 5? And then the 2? 2, 3, 5, 2. Then there's the M, right? Made up of 1 and 1. Or E. The illusion. The planet.